is a broken master gear. You can see here the little post that the wand hangs onto is gone. So I'm going to be changing it out. This particular master gear is slightly different. Most of them use a couple screws to link in right back here, 1 and 2. This one doesn't need any screws. It actually links up and under the first carrier. So what we're going to do is slide this all the way over to the end where our end bracket is here. Now our end bracket just has one screw up on the top, so we're going to need to remove that. Usually just a Phillips screw. And for this particular style of bracket, we'll just pull that screw all the way out. Not lose it. And now we'll be able to pull the bracket off. This little guide right here we'll pull off and set up top so we don't lose it. So now we can't pull this forward enough. What we need to do is release the back clip. Now some blinds have a little clip that goes on right in front of the last blind. This particular one, actually the back end cap anchors underneath that first one. So all we got to do is loosen this up enough to pull that down so that we can slip that first bracket up and off of the catch here. Right here. See if we can pull it down and pull it over. There we go. And now we'll be able to pull the whole set of blinds forward. So I'll show you that here. So now we can pull this forward and out. And now we'll be able to slide the deal forward. Lift this out with the old and in with the new. This is just going to go underneath that first shot there. There we go. Now we can slide the blinds back on. And we need to feed and make sure both feet on both sides here are under the track, the rail here, which they are. Now we just got to get our master gear to feed on. There we go. And we're all set there. So now it's just going to be a matter of setting our end cap back on, as well as our guide here. Here's our little guide. And this just goes up there, like so. And that just keeps everything running smoothly. And down at the other end, we're going to need to re-anchor our deal. So I'm going to come back to this right here. Take you back over here. And now we're going to need to slide this over and re-anchor it under the anchor. Tighten up our 2 screws. Okay, we'll make sure that's anchored in there good, which it is. Now we're ready for the end cap. So I've inserted the end cap. So our blind cap's all in, so we're ready for our wand. And the wand just gets inserted at its proper angle. And now we can test out our blinds. Make sure everything's doing what it's supposed to. Make sure we have full rotation, which we do. And then right here, looks like we got one stem that's out of step here. So you can either use pliers or sometimes just with your hand, pop it over. So you want to pop it over. Now I can reset my blind slats in there. Blinds working like new. Good to go.